The last problem category that we are truly assisting our customers with is being able to operate efficiently at scale. This is where we're looking at optimizing a really complex supply chain issue. We're looking at working with customers to make sure they stay on schedule, that their ROI is really maximized, that they're reaching their budgets and also able to competitively enter the market and scale their products. And so for us, this is a really interesting one because 3D printing in itself really helps along the way with a complex supply chain. 3D printing offers a lot of unique design integrations where you can lessen the amount of post-processing that needs to happen. We actually have a few customers that have come to us that have said, I don't know if you can help in any way, but we have one component that is going to 3 different companies for 3 different things just to come back to us as one component. And so what we're able to do is take a look at the design, take a look at the features, a lot of times uncover more problems they might not have known that they had given the manufacturing method that they're using, and we're able to incorporate our own technology. A customer could come to us and say, well, we want to save money and we want to save time. Great. But where we're really making a difference is with our customers who are saying, this is an urgent need, I am jammed up, I have parts that I cannot get because they're held up in one specific area, where we can really uniquely solve these problems for them and be able to unlock the revenue that they're just sitting on waiting for, streamline their logistics, and at times, similar to other problem categories, we can even simplify their assembly. So they might have a couple components that they're getting from a number of different areas, and we might be able to combine them and get them one full product. 3DO can uniquely help our customers through the ability to accelerate time to production and parts in hand. So if we are learning about complexity in a customer's supply chain or additional complexity in the parts that they either have secondary operation requirements or unit costs may be a little bit more exaggerated due to a few stops along the way in the supply chain, we're really, by keeping all of that in-house and using it as one service, able to use our technology to open up the ability to consolidate those parts, to reduce the secondary operation requirements, and to put forward really quality operational capabilities and technical capabilities to make sure that we've made for a more streamlined supply chain, and we're helping our customers be more profitable and more competitive along the way. And I can't tell you how many stories that we heard of people saying, I submitted a quote and I never heard back from people, or I tried to call this vendor and they never called back. And we actually take that to heart. We make sure if we're partnering with a customer, we are helping to meet or exceed their expectations. We are helping to meet their deadlines and work with them so that they can be competitive. We're a company built by innovators for innovators. So we get it. We get the product life cycle. And that's truly why we've added in these services to be able to say, we're with you every step of the way. We're there. We're a partner in this. Let's get you to launch.